This is owner's manual. We got charger. This is the hammer drill handle. This is the hammer drill. This is the impact. And we got two batteries, 20 volts XR4AH. And we got two clips. This is the hammer drill. You see here is the logo right here. The hammer drill is heavy. This is the rubber parts. You got 3 parts is rubber and feels very good in hand. And basically all the black parts are rubber and the yellow parts are plastic. And here the LED lights, I even give you the different light settings. You can see that it got 3 speed setting. That's very great. And this is the drill setting and this is the hammer setting. And you can change the different dial. And this part is fully metal. And this metal got a special coating that feels really good. Obviously it's made in USA with global material. And let's look at the chunk. The chunk is metal too. And the surface is not smooth. It's a different dot. And look at here. So sturdy. Let's put the battery on. Alright. And here is the indicator, show you how much power left. So when you hold the trigger lightly, it will start lightly, slowly, like this. And then when you push a little bit harder, you can see there are lots of different steps going up and up and up. And then when you stop, it's automatically stop. I like it. It works great. And let's check the different strengths. Let's look at this. If you feel the resistance, it stops. Great. And let's try the lighting. So here is the automatic. I can turn it off. And then here is 20 minutes on. This is very convenient. And let's check this one. So this one, you're gonna put it on here and screw it on. So this is the impact. I like the size. You see my hand is totally fully cover the handle. And on the front, this is a metal part. Obviously it's made in USA too. And it is so small that it's easy to handle. Let's put this one on. So it got 3 LED lights and it got the 3 different dials. The first dial basically just screwing. It means that it's very little force. So let's see how they sound. And go to the second. That's a big difference. Let's go to 3. At least this is different RPMs. With the brushless motor and big battery, these tools, you can just one charge and working for all day. And this is the charger. This charger can charge 12 volts and 20 volts. And have the indicator how much is being charged. Very great set. And let's check the bag. The fabrics looks like really higher end. Here it got a metal frame. So once you open it, it can fully open like a big mouth. Let's put this one in to see how it fits. So I put a bigger drill inside, and smaller compact impact. And here is the charger. And here is the handle. It will be closed easily. Besides that, you got 3 pouch in the front, another 3 pouch in the back. It's a really good tool set. Come with the bag. I think you got everything to start working. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.